Hey guys, welcome to Everyday Delights. Today we'll be making a popular Indian snack, the bread pakoda. There's two ways to make it. One is plain batter fried bread and the other one is stuffed with a potato filling. So for this video, we'll be making the stuffed version. Before we go ahead, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get our latest recipes. Let's get started. So let's see how to make the filling. Some oil to the pan first. Very little. You don't need much. Now that the oil is hot, let's add some mustard seeds. Now some cumin. Just mix it a little bit. And let's add a ginger garlic paste. Let it saute for about half a minute, and once it's fragrant enough, let's add our green chilies. You can put paste if you like. Let's mix it, and let's add our curry leaves. So once everything seems cooked, let's add our asafoetida, hing, and let's add our turmeric. When this is mixed enough, let's add our potatoes. These are boiled mashed potatoes. And give it a good mix. You can turn off the stove by now. We don't need to cook the potatoes. It. You can add your coriander, your salt. So I feel let's do that at this point. Some coriander. Salt to taste. The filling is pretty much done. One more optional thing that you can add is some lemon juice. A little goes a long way. So about 1/4 of a lemon should be good enough. That's it. Our filling is ready. Now let's see how to make the batter. First, let's add our besan to the bowl. Let's add some rice flour to it. This will help make the batter a little crispy. To this, some salt. Some red chili powder, and some turmeric. Turmeric will give us a good color. Give this a mix. Now add water. You have to make a thick batter. Mix it thoroughly well to make sure there's no lumps. You need a thick batter like that. Let's start assembling the bread pakoda. So we have bread slices here and the filling that we earlier made. Now what we need to do is take a slice and some filling and just spread it around the bread. Some more. We are going to use 2 slices, which is going to give us 2 pakodas. Make sure your filling is not too thin or too thin. Okay, that seems ready. Just place the second slice, press it a little bit, and now let's cut it diagonally. That's how you get 2 pakodas. You can see the filling is not too thick, not too thin. You need that much. Let's prepare another sandwich the same way. Evenly spread the mixture out. Cover all corners. Place the second slice. Press it down. Cut it diagonally. Okay, we have the second sandwich. Now let's dip it in the batter and fry. Now let's fry the pakodas. The oil seems pretty hot. The batter, I've transferred it from the bigger bowl that we earlier mixed it in to a flatter bowl so that I can dip the sandwiches properly. Okay, let's start. Make sure it is evenly coated on all sides. Strip off excess. Let's fry it. Let's do one more. Excess. Let's fry. As you can see, I've let them rest a little bit. Don't move them so that they don't stick. Halfway through, just flip them. See, they are golden on both sides. Okay, let's take them out. Nice and crispy on the outside. A lot of people choose to shallow fry these, but we prefer deep frying. Now let's make the rest of the sandwiches the same way. So the next batch is ready as well. I'm gonna take it out and then let's plate it. To serve, I've cut the pakodas into 2 pieces. Let's serve it. I'm going to serve it today with some green chutney. This is mint chutney. And the coconut, chili and garlic chutney. The recipes for everything are in the link in the description below. You can check it out. Hope you like the video. Please like, share and comment and subscribe if you haven't already. For more recipes, visit our website www.theeverydaydelights.com. Thank you. See you next time with another recipe.